Welcome to this tutorial, where we delve into the world of inventory and order management in your free Shift4shop store. Understanding the fundamental tasks is essential for efficient business operations and seamless customer experiences. We will take you on a journey, walking you through every step of the way, demystifying the concepts, and leaving no stone unturned. First, we begin by setting up our inventory. This task might seem overwhelming at first, but worry not. With Shift4shop, the process is made simpler. We'll show you how to set up and manage your product inventory and configure stock levels to prevent backorders or overselling. This way, you can maintain the right balance and meet customer expectations reliably. Now, let's transition into order management, the process that ensures your orders run like a well-oiled machine. With Shift4shop, you can streamline this process, from order confirmation, processing, to shipping. You'll learn how to make operations smoother, increase fulfillment speed, and improve the overall customer experience. By mastering order management, you will inevitably foster customer loyalty and drive return business. In our final scene, we will tap into the advanced features of Shift4shop and explore the insights you can extract from your inventory and order management system. We'll see how to identify top-selling products, track seasonal trends, and optimize your stock. Moreover, you will discover how these data-driven decisions can multiply your revenue, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. Join us as we unveil the power of intelligence in your e-commerce journey. Sign up for your free Shift4shop e-commerce store website now, and take charge of your online business destiny. Time is of the essence. Don't delay.